Hey guys, welcome to Technic channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download Steam in PC. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, download Steam in Windows and press enter. Then go here. You can see here install Steam, or here just click one. And now you can start downloading. You can choose the path by clicking on this where you want to download. Go here and choose it. Start downloading here. It will be downloaded in your system. Okay. Now if you want to go where it is downloaded, go folder, and you can see here Steam setup. Okay, you can install your Steam from here. Okay guys, so this is how you can download Steam from internet. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.